Taylor Hull flying through that bank.
My name's Taylor Hull. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and this is my 2016 Comp Cams Achilles Tire Cadillac ATS-V. We've got a RHS LS7 block with Callie's crank and rods, JE pistons, RHS heads and valve train. We've got a Magnuson supercharger on there. We've got an ACT twin disc clutch. All of our safety equipment is from OMP, so that's our seats, our belts, wheels, suit, everything safety. We got Cosmos 18x9s in the front, 18x10s in the back, wrapped in Achilles tires, 123s of course. We got 235s up front, 285s in the back. So we run yellow speed, triple adjustable coilovers on this car, front and rear. We've got drive shaft shop axles, the drive shaft, Chase Graphics designed the livery for me. Got a beautiful wrap by Foxy Wraps. And of course we have my business coach to help new business owners starting up. If you want to learn more about my car, head to the Formula Drift Garage on wheelwell.com.